Good morning, students. Next we can study about alums. The name alum is given to the double salt, that means potassium aluminum sulfate, K2SO4. The formula is K2SO4 Al2 into SO4 thrice into 24H2O. This is called as potassium aluminum sulfate. That is called as, shortly we name is alums. So nowadays it is used for all the double salts with M2SO4 into M2SO4 thrice into 24H2O. M means here metals or univalent metal ion. Univalent means only one, or ammonium NH4, and M means trivalent metal ion here. So இங்கே வந்து NH4 plus, that is called as ammonia is trivalent. 3, tri means 3, you know that. Then examples: potash alum formula K2SO4 into Al2 into SO4 thrice into 24H2O. Next is sodium alum. Sodium alum, here sodium Na2SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice into 24H2O. Then ammonium alum. Ammonium alum means ammonia, NH4 twice SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice into 24H2O. So this is the ammonium alum. Then chrome alum, K2SO4 into chromium, Cr2SO4 thrice into 24H2O. This is the example of alums: potash alum, sodium alum, ammonium alum, chrome alum. So next we can study about the preparation of alums. So eliminate the alunite. The alum stone is the naturally occurring form, and it is K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice into 4AlOH thrice. So this is the natural form. Then when alum stone, the formula is alum stone K2SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice into 4AlOH thrice. This is the alum stone, is treated with excess sulfuric acid. The aluminum hydroxide is converted into aluminum sulfate. So a calculated quality of potassium sulfate is added and the solution is crystallized to generate potash alum. So it is purified by recrystallization. So crystallization means form of, for example, salt. How we can crystallization, you know that. So potash alum prepared from alum stone. The formula K2SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice into 4AlOH thrice reacts with excess H2SO4 to form K2SO4 plus Al2SO4 thrice plus 12H2O. So we can write K2SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice into 24H2O like that. Again we can treat it with the water. K2SO4 plus Al2SO4 thrice plus 24H2O gives the formula. We can get alum, potash alum, K2SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice into 24H2O. So this is the preparation of alums. From we can get alum stone. Then properties: potash alum is a white crystalline solid. It is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. So it is soluble in water. Already we know that all the salt is soluble in water. Then aqueous solution is acidic due to the hydrolysis of aluminum. So it is a aqueous solution. Aqueous means we know that soluble one. Due to the hydrolysis of aluminum sulfate, it melts at 365 Kelvin on heating. So if you heat, that means Hydrolysis means you can add the water, it can be soluble. So it melt at 365 Kelvin on heating. Then at 475 Kelvin loses water of hydration. Already you know that 24 H2O water molecules, it loses 475 Kelvin, it loses water of hydration and swells up. Then the swollen mass is known as burnt alum. The swells means the swollen mass is known as burnt alum. Then heating to red hot, it decomposes. Again we can heat red hot condition, decomposes into potassium sulfate plus alumina plus sulfur trioxide. So potassium, here you can see the equation. Potassium heated at 500 Kelvin, we can get K2SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice plus 24H2O. First, to release the water molecules, then again we can heat red hot condition. K2SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice. That is a burnt alum. Again we can heat red hot condition. K2SO4 potassium sulfate plus aluminum oxide, that is called as alumina. Al2O3 we called as alumina. It is also you studied in 10th standard, double salt plus sulfur trioxide. Sulfur trioxide formula SO3. So next, potassium forms aluminum hydroxide when treated with ammonium hydroxide. So if you potassium converted into aluminum hydroxide treated with if you treated with ammonium hydroxide. So here the equation potassium formula K2SO4 into Al2SO4 thrice into 24H2O plus ammonium hydroxide reacts with ammonium hydroxide to form potassium sulfate K2SO4 plus ammonium sulfate NH4 twice SO4, that is called as ammonium sulfate plus H2O 24H2O plus AlOH thrice. This is the form of aluminum hydroxide converted into potassium is converted into aluminum hydroxide treated with ammonium hydroxide to form aluminum hydroxide. Then uses of alum. Alum means potash alum. So first use is used as a purification of water. Then it is also used for waterproofing and textiles. So waterproofing means you know that textiles also you know that. So then third uses, it is used in the dyeing paper and leather. So this is the three uses of alum. Thank you students.